Very difficult day that Mumbaikars have faced yet again because of the monsoon mayhem. It has been a day of continuous and heavy rains that has seen waterlogging in several parts. This is particularly in the low-lying areas in suburbs of Mumbai here as well. This includes Chembur, Vadala, Sion, Hindmata, even Churchgate. All of these places reporting waterlogging. It has affected transport. Local trains are running at a staggered capacity. Some have been suspended altogether. This is at the Central and Harbour line respectively. But this is a downpour which is to continue. The IMD has already predicted heavy rainfall will continue for the coming few days. Trees uprooting cases have been seen as well. One that you see is right outside the Mantralaya, and the other that was reported in Baikula as well, which was a very heavy old banyan tree that got uprooted. Outer Mumbai, as we've been seeing, the outer areas here that have been affected as well. The Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, potholes here that was seen, and multiple incidents of waterlogging. Let's get in further inputs here. We have with us our Deputy News Editor, Mayuresh, getting us those details. Parts of Mumbai that have seen not just waterlogging but cases of tree uprooting that have been reported here as well. And this one's coming in from right outside the Mantralaya.
Right now I'm standing outside the main gate of Mantralaya. This is a garden gate, and you can see that due to heavy rains and heavy wind, the tree has fallen, and you can see how it has damaged the park vehicle. Usually this is a main road of Mantralaya main gate. It is called Garden Gate, and you can see that there is a Mantralaya building. So Mumbai is already experiencing heavy rains or heavy rainfall since last 2 days, but today the wind speed was more than expected, and you can see it has resulted into a tree falling. The tree has been almost uprooted, and that has you can see there are not only one instance, there are other tree has also has uprooted, and behind this road there is another incident which has happened where a tree has fallen on the car. So this is a scenario which we are getting you from the ground zero just outside Mantralaya. With cameraman Rajesh Khade, Mayuresh Ganpati for Mirror Now.
And we've been getting you ground inputs from several areas across Mumbai. Mayuresh once again is getting us that update. This is in South Mumbai where waterlogging has been reported here as well. The BMC has said that this is because of the city which is receiving 100 mm rainfall in just 6 hours. So according to the BMC, once again, it's more heavy than expected in a very short span of time. This is the defense that the BMC is keeping on this. Mayuresh speaking to a few Mumbaikars in Girgaon. Let's take a listen in.
Right now I'm standing at Girgaon Chowpatty Junction. Behind me this is Wilson College, and you can see just outside Wilson College the waterlogging has taken place. It is very unusual scene in South Mumbai because hardly it happens whenever it pours heavily in Mumbai. There are low-lying areas like Hindmata, Milan Subway, even Parel, where usually waterlogging happens, but this is unusual because South Mumbai has hardly seen any waterlogging situation. I'll ask my cameraman Rajesh Khade to show you the visuals, because you can see the road which is coming from Nariman Point is totally jam-packed with the traffic. It's almost more than 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer traffic queue. You can see these all people are going towards the suburban area of Mumbai, and we are just outside the Girgaon Chowpatty. I'll ask my cameraman Rajesh Khade to show you the visuals. You can see the car, one car has been stuck there, and they are facing difficulty to go through this road because this entire road is flooded with the water. We have few people with us. We'll go across them. आप मुझे बताइए कि आप कहाँ से आए हैं और कभी ऐसी flooding देखी है आपने साउथ मुंबई में?
Never before this in South Bombay.
Okay.
Too much of trouble everyone is going through. We have to go to Colaba, but we can't get a way to go to Colaba from anywhere.
So now you are going back?
Yes, we have to go to Colaba. We live over there.
So how you are going now, because this entire road is flooded? How you are going to navigate now?
No idea about that. We need someone to help
But
us.
have you ever experienced this kind of flooding in Mumbai?
No, we have never experienced this kind of flooding in Bombay.
So that's what we heard from the Mumbaikars. Even they were facing the difficulty to ride their vehicle. You can see this person. आप मुझे बताइए कि आपने कभी मुंबई में ऐसी बारिश या साउथ मुंबई में ऐसी फ्लडिंग देखी है कभी आपने?
नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम देखा मैंने सर.
आज आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मुझे जाना है परेल में जाना है.
कहाँ जाना है?
परेल.
परेल जाना है. और अब कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
मैं आ रहा हूँ कोलाबा से.
अच्छा, So that's what we heard from this person. He has to go to Parel, but he had to come back because this road basically goes towards the suburban part or the central Mumbai. But you can see this is already there is waterlogging has taken place, and that's why even motorists are facing difficulty to go through it. So this is a very unusual scene. From past 2 days, it is raining heavily in Mumbai. IMD had given a red alert for Mumbai, Thane and Palghar, and you can see that the waterlogging, the immense rain or heavy rains in Mumbai have caused the waterlogging in South Mumbai's Girgaon Chowpatty area also. With camera person Rajesh Khade and Mayuresh Ganpate for Mirror Now.
All right, let's get in further inputs. Our correspondent Neha is getting us those details here. Currently at Khar subway, situation there is believed to be very bad. But Neha, once again, we're looking at the BMC's defense in an argument that we've heard earlier as well, that Mumbai has received more than expected heavy rainfall, 100 mm rainfall in a short span of just 6 hours, which is why we're seeing this waterlogging.
Seher, even if we have to consider this, then the fact that even just like South Mumbai, even parts of suburbs are also showing a similar situation because of the heavy rainfall. And though if we have to believe that the fact that it's only because of heavy rainfall that the waterlogging is seen, what about the road conditions? Because we are right now at Khar subway. If I can show you the entire picture, that is the waterlogging situation right now in Khar subway. Now this is an area, this is a subway that connects people in the western suburbs, especially a major share of Mumbai area which stays in Andheri, Goregaon, Bandra, and also at the same time, if they are just talking about the heavy rainfall, look at the condition of the roads. This is within 2 hours of rainfall, which we're showing you, filled with potholes and extremely difficult for the vehicles to move from here. In fact, even I am standing here at a pedestal trying to give my life from this place because it's absolutely difficult to even stand and talk about this, considering how heavily traffic this road always sees and the condition that it's been in, considering it's receiving heavy rainfall. Now, just to tell you, about an hour back, BMC authorities have put in a pump here to be able to remove the water logging from this road. But considering the heavy rainfall continues, we understand that that movement and that pace of removing the water is going slow. But you can see the queue of vehicular movement inside this subway, the pothole-filled streets, and also the water-filled lanes, which is further making it difficult for people to commute in this evening peak hour.
All right, Neha, as you're explaining here, this is a drain cleaning water pumping machine which is already there. But we haven't seen the BMC managing to do any of the preparatory work this time around. They've been overwhelmed with a lot of pandemic work. A lot of their officers have fallen ill to the COVID-19 as well. But does this mean that there has been no work at all that the BMC has done on ground this time in the build-up in preparation for the monsoons?
Sir, I would like to bring about and repeat what the BMC had said before this. They had mentioned that how they have done all the sewage work and also the pipeline work at the same time. They had mentioned that they have done about more than 80% of Mithi river cleaning. They had also made some huge bore wells around Hindmata, which was to ensure that the underground drainage at Hindmata, Gandhi Market, which are the flood-prone locations of Mumbai, that get water, that do not be clogged very early whenever it rains heavily, and water passes through easily. But all of these promises have fallen flat on their faces, because within 2 days of Mumbai receiving heavy showers, we are seeing the same situation again: pothole-filled streets, waterlogging, and a very, very difficult time for people to commute.